Hello everyone, welcome to Kadambari Solutions and I am Sneha Harish. Today, what is the topic which I'm going to talk about? It's been a very long time that I've not spoken about some tips or about in generally Vastu or what helps us in our day-to-day life. Before I get onto the video, make sure that you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and do share and enjoy the upcoming videos. So today I'm going to talk about nature's cure. Nature's cure is what we all forget or we all forget to take help about. This is going to be a series. There would be some in detail upcoming videos on nature's cure. So today is just an introduction what I'm trying to give you. If you see, we talk about holistic healings, like a lot of people come and ask me that, ma'am, what a simple cure you've given me, how will it work for me? But the same way, if they follow, they come back and tell me that it has done miracles for me. Why is that? What is the difference? Nature is something which we all forget. Nature has hidden secrets in it, which we need to actually ask help for. And nature is always ready to give help. But eventually, as we are moving towards technology and different things, we tend to forget the roots, what we all come from, where we all come from. Every cure for everything, let it be a financial problem, let it be a health issue, let it be a relationship problem, everything is hidden in the nature. We say, right, lot of healers do practice abundance, speak to the nature, universe will come back to you. These are words which we hear and we wonder that how come universe can come back to us? What is happening? But there's always an answer from the universe to give us. The upcoming videos are all about how nature can help us and how nature has hidden a lot of treasures in it. And every video will tell you one cure or one important aspect which you can practically use in your day-to-day life to increase your finances, increase your health, and get a lot of positivity into your life. Because a lot of people with the pandemic going on have started sulking on things. They have become very antisocial, I would say. It's not their mistake, but if you're being closed into a room for several months and not having any contact with people, they do that. Their approach towards things has become very negative. So in generally, there is a negative pattern which is going round the clock. We need to break that negative pattern to come out of it. That's very, very important for ourselves. So what can help us? Even if you spend 100 crores, you may not get peace of mind. People staying in a hut may have more peace of mind than people having a lot of money. Health cannot be bought with money. So there are a lot of aspects which we forget from our surroundings to pick up and use it into our day-to-day life. And we feel that all the artificial things or getting into a habit of something which will just help us to come out of our tensions, like it could be drugs, it could be different things, but it's not that. There are much better things which can help you to soothe your nerves or soothe your depression, but we never explore. So this series is all about what are some major things which you can use in your day-to-day life and come out of your negative situation and create a lot of positivity. So hold on, keep an eye on the coming up videos about nature's cure. Signing off for now. Thank you very much.